good.
Your strawberries are right here. Oh, God, can you please eat them? Thank you. I think you're being silly. Can you please eat your strawberries? Come on. I think you're being silly. Okay, bite it. Bite it. Don't just lick the top. Bite it, please. Good boy. That's a good boy. Whoa, we're up in a cloud. Can't see anything. Can't see anything. Don't push. Don't push. All right, I'll take you off the big boy seat. Good boy. Mmm, I see your breakfast is yummy.
Oh no, I'm happy.
Feeding pussy. Look at that cloud. It was just completely white and now it's like settling in the hills. It's so cool. Is this breakfast yoga? Is this breakfast yoga? Foot down, please. That's not nice. Where's Prince George?
SUBBIE.
No, there's nothing on it. Oh, okay. Got issues with little specks of dirt.
Specks.
Okay. Specks, yeah. Where's Prince George? Oh, is he sleeping?
Ah.
He named his white horse Prince George.
See. Oh, see. Dress. Dress.
I don't know what you call it.
Dress. Dress.
What? These, you have to be careful. They were grandpa's. Why not? You got the heavy. Oh, good job. Let me see. Okay, the heavy. Okay, wow. Can you see? Wow. Okay. Oh, the heavy.
No way.
Okay, mommy, hold them.
Careful.
Oh, careful. Oh, they're heavy.
No, it's big on top.
Good. What can you see? Birdies? Can you see birdies? Oh.
And she's the body's for me to.
The birdies are gone? Okay. The birdies are gone. So these were my Pop's binoculars and they're so, they're amazing. Like, they never make stuff like this anymore. Mussy just likes to, whoa.
Wow, it's
Okay. Let me get the other ones.
more cracker.
More biscuit?
More biscuit.
More biscuit, please.
Yeah.
More biscuit, please.
Yeah.
More biscuit, please.
Please.
Did you say hi, guys? Hi, guys.
No way.
No way. Oh my goodness. It is the rainiest, cloudiest day. We are literally up in the clouds.
I'm here.
Yeah. Chew. Mikhail. Chew. We're doing kindy drop off now and then we're coming home to film. Massey, I'm talking.
Mommy.
Yeah, you say excuse me.
Mommy.
Excuse me, mummy.
Excuse mommy.
Good boy. Yes, Massey.
Excuse me. Mommy.
Yes, Massey.
It's me, guy.
Yeah, Mikhail's at school today. We'll see him later. And we're coming home to film. Right? Right? So excited! It's so exciting. Whenever you think, if you see like a Lux YouTuber filming their haul or unboxing anything, why are they so excited? Because they've already bought the item, so they've seen it. But sometimes you leave it a long time, so it's been a week, nearly a week since I've seen my items, so it just brings back all that excitement again. So getting ready.
Gillian McGrath, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Gillian McGrath.
Hi, Baba.
Hi, darling.
Hi, darling. How can I help you?
Yes, well, considering, you know, last night's banishment that my son and I got from your house, I'm assuming that I assumed you need to, like, do women's forum things and whatnot, so you're not going to get him from kindy?
No, I'll be sitting in the hairdresser's chair at 4 o'clock.
Alright, that's fine. I knew.
Is that okay
I was
with
like,
you?
I never planned for you to pick him up today.
I would have been there with bells on.
Okay, very intense brow. It's okay, a bit of brow gel from Anastasia. So many of you said, oh my gosh, I'm getting that. It's just clear brow gel from Anastasia Beverly Hills, because it is so nice just to put your brows in place once you've finished doing them. Meow. Do you like my cat ears? It looks like I'm naked. I'm not. I have a tank top on. I am running so behind for filming. I'm just literally dawdling. That is basically what this situation is. I'm just gonna finish the face, and I added a few of the separate lashes on. It took a lot longer than I thought it was gonna take, so that had to just go on the back burner. But yeah, I'm gonna get downstairs and get on with the job. Okay, boom, boom, we have a face. I am going to, this is my new Girl Boss Velvet Lip. See, oh yeah. Kind of tastes like berries. I'm going to rewear my outfit I wore for my Hermes vlog. I really liked it, and I feel like I should just rewear it for this video, which we're going downstairs to shoot now. Oh my god. Filming is the jour. Seriously, I wish it was kind of like, it's kind of like cardio. I wish I lost weight doing it, because it's pretty intense. If you are a YouTuber in any way, you understand that. I wanted to show you guys, I'm changing this room. I'm renovating this room, I've decided. I spoke to Willie about it, he agrees. I'm gonna do IKEA. This is an IKEA. Why would I even try to pronounce it? It's like the Kavaza or something. I will link it below. Cubes. A lot of people ask me about these, but these are the cubes. Really famous cubes that come in the 4 set. Ding! And this set, and then I think there's a smaller set or a big. But yes, what I think I'm going to do is get rid of these and put permanent floor to ceiling, like basically make this like a wardrobe on one side rather than all the little pigeonholes, because 1, I'm running out of space. 2, I want one of the floor to ceiling bookshelves to just be for shoes, because I've really gotten into shoes in the last year. Luxury shoes, I need them stored nicely, so putting them just in the pigeonholes randomly doesn't work. So I've seen on Pinterest on the side, and I think it looks so nice just going up in a line. So I think the Billy bookshelves are the best for that, because you can also get doors. Not that I would. I love my bags airing out. I don't like the idea of them, like, they don't need to be inside. There's no dust in here, and they don't need to be like dusted or kept from sun, because this entire room blacks out, which I suggest. I get a lot of questions on storing your bags and your items, and should you have them in a blackout room. I do suggest you have them in a blackout room, or a room where blinds are really quite solid, because the light will over time affect them. It will affect them by you know, color fading and things like that, definitely. And you'll see that start on boxes. So for example, if there's a ribbon across your Louis Vuitton box, when you move the ribbon, it'll be darker underneath, and you'll start to see that. Even though it's so pretty when the light comes in, especially in here, I love opening it all up. This backs onto our whole backyard, which is all private anyway, and I love that. But you got to care for your items, right? But I wanted to tell you that I'm going to redo this room. What do you think? Exciting. Would love to do it during Vlogtober. However, we got a lot going on. Yes, you heard on yesterday's vlog, we are coming to New Zealand. We're coming for you, Auckland. Hit me up if you're from New Zealand. If you live in Auckland, let us know cool things to do. I know we're going to do a lot of walking and do sightseeing. We're going to go on, I think, a cruise, Mum said. Ooh, yes, girl. But that is it. Just wanted to let you know my update about my studio renovations that I'm going to start. Pretty excited about it. So just making up some quick lunch. You saw me stop in at the chicken shop and get some pre-made salads. I was really wanting to have some of this shredded chicken salad. So I bought that, shredded chicken salad, and I bought the lemongrass chicken salad, and I bought the super coleslaw. Is that what it's called? The super chicken coleslaw. And then I just get the dressings on the side. This way it's just sort of easier to control. You know, I guess I like making salad, but at the same time I feel like I waste so much, because really only I'm eating it most of the time. And then it's just sort of wasted, and I don't want it to be wasted. So if they buy these pre-made ones, they're obviously fresh, but they've just, the chicken shop makes them up. And then just put them together. Girl. Look who we got. Yeah. Are you so excited? What are they doing? They're over in the corner. See you another day. Did you say see you at Bye Horsey? See you another day. You're such a sweet boy. Yeah. You're such a good boy. Bye, Horsey. Bye. See you another day. Horsey. Oh, don't be sad. You see them another time. Yeah. Oh, so cute. There's some horses in a paddock just near my parents-in-law house. and he just loves, oh, he's so obsessed with horses. So obsessed. Oh no. That just clipped that bird, Mussy. Poor thing. Yeah, it did. The little birds. Oh dear.
Yeah, I just smelled the birds.
Yeah. There was a bird. He didn't fly very well.
No, but there's just flying that but
Yeah, it was a birdie that was flying away. However, he flew into Mummy's car, and I don't know if he can fly anymore. Okay, so what happened after I spoke to you guys, I cleaned up my studio and upstairs. I did a quick clean. I've got sodden washing that got caught in this rain. We've had so much rain, thank God, thank the heavens. I just hope the farmers are getting some of this rain, but it's tons of rain, so thank God. And I've had to do like 5 loads with these towels because they just got caught in the rain. They got mildewed and then they flew off the line, and it was just gross. Anyway, so then I came down to pick up Mussy from kindy, and that is it. We've visited my in-laws to pick up a few things from them, and that is my day. That is my day, people. That is my day. We're gonna say bye, guys.
Daddy.
Oh, that's say bye, guys. See you tomorrow.
Hi, guys.
Good boy. Bye, guys. I'll see you tomorrow.